Hello everyone, welcome to Learn German with Gayatri. First of all, thank you so much for such a warm response on my previous German test videos. I'm really happy to see that so many of you are practicing German with this test. A lot of you commented and messaged me asking for another A1 test video. So, because of your support, here is part 3 of the German A1 test. In this video, you will practice real A1 level questions that will help you prepare for exams like Goethe, TELC or USD A1. So get ready, take a pen and paper and let's start. Nummer 1. Wir essen Restaurant. So when you talk about doing something inside a place, you use in plus dem. That is im. So wir essen im Restaurant. Nummer 2. Wir fahren Auto. So here the preposition will be mit, and some German prepositions always take dative and mit is one of them. So whenever you use mit, the noun after it must be dative. So that's why wir fahren mit dem Auto. Zum Beispiel mit plus das Auto and das in dative form becomes dem, so mit dem Auto. Nummer 3. Der Film beginnt 19 Uhr. So we always use preposition to indicate time. So der Film beginnt 19 Uhr. Nummer 4. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 20 vor 9. That means it is 20 minutes before 9. Vor bedeutet before. So it will be 8:40. Nummer 5. Wie spät ist es? Es ist 5 vor halb 7. Halb 7 means 6:30 and the question is saying 5 minutes before halb 7. That is 6:25. Nummer 6. Was bedeutet bekommen? Many learners think bekommen means become, but it actually means to receive. Nummer 7. Was bedeutet Rat und Chef? I know Rat oder Rat sound like rat in English, and chef means cook, right? Cause that is same in English, but no. That's not the truth. It's actually advice. Rat bedeutet advice. Rat is a German word that means advice in English. And Chef is also a German word that means boss. Nummer 8. What does gift and bald means in English? Gift means present, right? But no. Gift is also a German word that means poison. So never say someone to give gift, cause that will be poison. You should tell Geschenk. Geschenk means gift. And bald is also a German word that means soon, not bold or not bald. Nummer 9. Ich gehe heute Arbeit. The preposition we'll use here is zu, cause we are going to somewhere specific. Zu is to, and here zu plus dem will be used. Zu is a dative preposition, that's why the sentence will be dative. Ich gehe heute zur Arbeit. Nummer 10. Ich wohne Deutschland. When we talk about where someone lives, we use the preposition in, but only if the country have no article. Zum Beispiel Deutschland, Spanien, Frankreich. And if a country have article, then it will be in plus dem equals to im. Zum Beispiel im Iran, im Irak, im Sudan. Nummer 11. Ich habe Hunger. In German, some feelings, needs, or states are used without an article, and hunger is uncountable state, not like a normal noun. So we don't use any article here. Ich habe Hunger. Nummer 12. Hallo Lisa, ich wollte heute um 3 Uhr ins Kino gehen, aber ich muss noch arbeiten. Wir können uns um 3:15 vor dem Kino treffen. Wann treffen Sie sich? So it is saying, hello Lisa, I wanted to go to the cinema at 3 o'clock today, but I still have to work. We can meet at 4:15, that is 4:15, in front of the cinema. So the answer will be 4:15. Before we continue with the next questions, I want to tell you something important. If you enjoy learning German with me and want more practice like this, you can also join my YouTube membership, and there I share extra exercises, listening practice, and exclusive lesson to help you improve faster. Also, I have free learning community where I regularly provide free German classes and study materials. If you're interested, you can join the community from the link in the description. And if someone wants personal guidance or paid German classes, you can also contact me through the community. Alright, now let's continue with the next question. Nummer 13. Ich komme Schule. When talking about leaving a place like school or work, German usually say von der Schule oder von der Arbeit. Ich komme von der Schule. Nummer 14. Ich bin Kino. Everyone knows that we use ins Kino to go there. Zum Beispiel, heute gehen wir ins Kino. But if you're already in Kino, then you must use in plus dem, that is im. Ich bin im Kino. I'm in the cinema. Nummer 15. Das Buch liegt Tisch. The verb liegt shows position. Wo? Where? That means no movement. And if there is no movement, we use Dativ. So the answer will be Das Buch liegt auf dem Tisch. Nummer 16. Ich habe gestern einen Film So the sentence structure is in past tense, haben plus participle zwei. That's why we are using gesehen. Ich habe gestern einen Film gesehen. Nummer 17. Ich fahre morgen Türkei. Many people will think the answer will be nach, but that's not true. German do not use nach to the countries that have article. So Türkei have an article. So that's why we are using in plus Akkusativ. That is, ich fahre in die Türkei. Nummer 18. Ich warte Bus. So the verb warten auf always takes Akkusativ. That's why it is auf den. Ich warte auf den Bus. Nummer 19. Ich interessiere mich Musik. Interessiere mich is a reflexive verb and für is the fixed preposition here. So it is always sich interessieren für plus Akkusativ. Ich interessiere mich für Musik. Nummer 20. Er fährt jeden Tag Arbeit. Places like Arbeit, Schule, Universität, German often use zu plus Dativ. The preposition is zu und die Arbeit becomes der in the dative case. Zu plus der is zur Arbeit. Ich werde jeden Tag so arbeiten. Alright everyone, that was the German A1 test. I hope these questions helped you practice and also showed you where you need a little more improvement. Now tell me in the comment section how many questions did you answer correctly. If you got more than 15, that's really good for A1 level. Keep practicing. Also, if you enjoy learning German with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more German tests, listening practice, and exam preparation. And if you want more practice, free classes, and study materials, you can join my learning community. The link is in the description. And if someone is interested in paid German classes or personal guidance, you can also contact me through the community. See you in the next video. Tschüss!